Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel, Animate Orange, and welcome to a Saturday supplement video for yesterday's news video. Embarrassingly, there was a couple of things I just plain forgot in yesterday's video. Someone kind of pointed out my mistake in the comments. I mentioned that Deadpool had a arrival date of sometime this spring and said that nothing had changed on Metal Earth's website. That was a mistake on my part. There are 3 new models in the coming soon area. I knew that, but for some reason in my head I thought I had reported on that last week, and I double checked, and I had put it on social media but didn't actually include it in a video. I put it on social media about 4 or 5 days ago. It didn't actually include it in any video as of yet. So today, as a correction to yesterday's video, there are 3 new models showing on the Metal Earth's coming soon page. One of them being Boba Fett. The Boba Fett models that we had talked about from the New York Toy Fair. There is an actual post for that now. There's no 360 view, but there are a number of photos showing the different angles. A little bit better photos than what I had provided or what I had found from the Toy Fair. You can kind of see the cape draped off the one side on the back. I don't remember seeing that before, but there are several views from around the body, but not technically a 360 view as of yet. The only information is that it's going to be an Iconics model, ICX 135. It's going to be 3 sheets listed as challenging difficulty. The assembled size is listed as coming soon. Similar situation, Deadpool is also listed on there, but we only have the front view. No 360 view, no other pictures, though I am rather amused that Deadpool seems to be holding a unicorn, toy unicorn of some sort, in his left hand. This one is listed as MMS 326, which I had mentioned in Toy Fair videos, that looks like the Deadpool is going to be a regular Metal Earth model, not an Iconics. I say Iconics, which actually it's Premium Series is officially what Iconics has said is before. So the Boba Fett is a Premium Series, formerly Iconics, and Deadpool is MMS, just a Metal Earth model. 3.5 sheets, listed as challenging and also coming soon. Of course, the Metal Earth sheets are the square sheets, so there's going to be 3.5 of those square sheets as opposed to the Boba Fett, which is going to be Iconics or premium size 3 sheets. So kind of hard to say which one's going to have more metal and metal pieces. Neither one of those listings are talking about how many pieces are in there. I don't think they ever do on Metal Earth. And also we have the Space Shuttle Atlantis showing up, which appears to be kind of like they did before with the silver shuttles. They had several different shuttles. They were all the same build. They just had a different name. It looks like, initially, from the one picture that we have, it looks just like the Discovery that we've already got. It looks like the same sort of build, and the only difference being is it has the name of Atlantis on it. Interestingly, the item number is MMS 211, just like the Discovery, except it has an A on the end. So the Discovery is MMS 211. The Atlantis is MMS 211A. I'm guessing A for Atlantis, and I'm wondering if they're going to come out with other of these colored space shuttle models and give them a different name with the letter on the end. My apologies, I forgot to turn the fan off. This, just like the Discovery, the Atlantis is listed as 2 sheets, moderate difficulty, and the assembled size is exactly the same at 4.5 inches by 2.8 inches wide by 2.3 inches in height. So again, I'm guessing it's just like they did before with the Silver Shuttle models. They've just put out the same model with a different name and color. And those are the 3 things that I neglected to mention in yesterday's video. I apologize for that. That was just, for some reason in my head, I thought I had talked about that last week, and that's why I did include it. I guess because I had talked about the Peace Corps last week, and this week was just kind of an addition to that. A lot going on yesterday. What can I say? I apologize. But interesting enough, also shortly after making the video, the governor of PA, Pennsylvania, where I live, has announced that schools are closing. A lot of public events have been canceled because of the COVID-19 concerns, and I honestly appreciate that. Being one with a weakened immune system, my biggest concern was that the kid was going to come home with something from the school, and caused us both a lot of problems. But now we're going to be staying home, which might mean that I have a little more time to work on videos and builds. Can't guarantee that, because I told my friend Kowiki that last night, and then I said, you know, I probably just jinxed myself because something else will come up. But we'll see. For everyone out there dealing with the situation, I'm not saying don't be concerned, but try not to panic. And try to stay safe, and we'll see ya later this week. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep on keeping on.